Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create pivot table and pivot chart in Excel. So let's start this in Excel, and here you can see I have a data. So first I'm going to create the pivot table. So simply select the data, just drag with the mouse and you can select here the entire data. And the second way, you just select the one cell inside the data and use here the Control A to select the entire data. Then go to the Insert tab. In Tables group, have a pivot table option. Just click on this drop down arrow. Then click on the From Table or Range option. And here you can see the one dialog box is open, the pivot table, from table or range. Range here automatically selected and choose where you want the pivot table to be placed. Then click on the new worksheet and click on OK. That's it. Here you can see the second sheet is added with the pivot table fields and pivot table analysis tab and design tab. So here I'm going to create the pivot table. Just drag the fields below area to create pivot table. I just drag the product in rows and total price in values and date in filter, and that's it. My pivot table is ready. Now select the pivot table. Okay. Then go to the select the pivot table and go to the pivot table analysis. In tools group have a pivot table chart option. Just click on it and here you can see the insert chart dialog box is it open. You can see the all charts name is here available: column, line, pie, bar, area, and so on. So I select here the column. In column, there are different styles columns. Chart is available. You can just click on it and you can check here the preview. When you keep cursor on it, you can see the preview on showing on the larger size also. Okay. So I click on the one um, column chart, then click on the OK, and that's it. Here the column chart is inserted. You just simply drag and increase the size of the chart easily. Okay. With this, the format tab also added. You can use this formatting option to format your charts. Okay. The shape fields, you simply choose the different colors also here. Okay. So you can change the your pivot chart style also. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.